just a quick one. I got a new feeder too. Amit Pep is that a chaff for a crow? Crow, isn't it? Right? Yeah. Good. Getting Olivia come in the party. She don't care, but oh boy, chasing mouse, didn't you lad? Only 'cause he won't work. Ain't got none. Here they come. Right, Kitty? Oh, Peps! Hello, Peps! You right? Here it is. Tim, my boy. Yeah? Shall we get tea? Is that some? Right, guys. Off for tea, I think. Oh, bit windy today. Very windy. Here they come. Then the women by Barney are all. Anymore. Right, I'm off. See the while. Just a short one, 'cause I haven't done much at all today. I'm done set the tripod up or nothing, so that's why it's in portrait. Get both the body boy. Don't come, it's only the bottle. Matter. Let's think of it. What? You okay? Sit everyone see you. There it is. Body. Color it's in the wild. Bye guys.